All right, guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the group. So if you guys have any questions, go to the group here and you can search up here at the top. And for example, I'm going to search up iPhone home button. Let's see what there is. So here it shows you everything. You know, if you want to learn some more stuff, it's all in here. Look, everything related to home buttons that people have asked already. Now you guys feel free to post new questions. That's fine. If you don't want to search up like this, that's cool. But this is really good information that you can always go through and see what people have talked about over the last over the history of the group. So let's go to iCloud, see what people have to talk about iCloud. That's a pretty hot topic right there. So here it is. Where can I get this iCloud unlocked? That's the most recent one. If you can see here, I wrote back, search up how to put XS Max in recovery mode, then restore it. First he was just asking, oh yeah, I guess he already knows that there's iCloud on there. So yeah, so there it is. So you just search like that, guys, and you'll have a world of information. So let's see if we put, let's see, glitching. Let's see if anybody's typed in glitching on here. There it is. Replacement customer call saying her phone glitches now for no reason. So yeah, other than that, if you don't want to search like this, which I do recommend you do, search and go through the whole thing and stuff whenever you have a question, then you can just put here, go to the group and write something and put, for example, I'm going to do this. Hey guys, just so you know, here's a quick tutorial on how to search our group for, I don't know, relative information, I guess. No, how to search our group for answers if you don't feel like posting a question. If you don't feel like posting a question, or if you simply want to read through our history to learn more. Let's grow. There you go. You guys finally get to hear me say that. It's like, let's go, but let's grow. Get it? All right. Hey guys, just so you know, here's a quick tutorial on how to use search if you don't find. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that. Members, cool. And there it is. You guys should be seeing the link. I'm gonna go ahead and tag it on there. Oh, I was supposed to do that before I posted it. Okay. Well, hope you guys like this video, and let's grow, guys. Let's keep getting this money. Let's help each other out, and let's get it. Have a great day.